I'd just like to remind you that in 1999, Manny Pacquiao started the battle against the Mexicans when he won here in the fourth round, when he knocked out his opponent from Mexico, defending his WBC flyweight title.
So that probably started it all.
Right,
down
started it all.
Okay.
Right here at the Araneta Coliseum.
Ito si Camargo, mukhang batang-bata, no? Mukhang 14 years old lang. Pero off the ring,
Good
very...
body shots by Bautista. Camargo fighting back.
May sagot, May sagot.
May sagot. Typical Mexican fashion.
Comes from a family of boxers. His father was a boxer.
Right. I said 3 or 4 rounds. I made a mistake.
He's trying to decide whether he will get up or not.
He's waiting for his corner's cue.
No, he waited for the last minute.
He was waiting for his corner's cue. And let's see, Boom Boom is in a rush here.
He is in a rush.
Less than 2 minutes to go.
But he better watch it. I mean, don't take any too many chances. Hurt with another right.
Tumiklop. At sa kabudega na inaatake.
And there goes Boom Boom.
Crowd telling him huwag ka manggigigil, Boom Boom.
Tama. Good left again by Bautista, picking his punches nicely.
I think Camargo suddenly felt raw power.
Come back, yeah.
But he's fighting back.
He's fighting back. Typical Mexican.
Yeah, ayaw yan.
Pati yung coach ng Uruguay, tinutulungan na rin ng corner ng Mexico dito.
Nagkakaintindihan naman siguro sila.
Now, Boom Boom against the ropes. He should get out of that situation. No need for that.
You see Manuel Marquez just in the middle of the right side of your picture, actually.
He's probably trying to give him instructions too.
Ayan, nakasumisilip-silip. Yung katabing Eric Gomez na tayo,
I don't know what Boom Boom is doing right now. You know, he's been waiting and taking too many punches, not throwing anything back, and allowing Camargo to turn the tide
and catch his second wind.
Biglang nabuhay to si Camargo. And then ngayon naman, siya yung on the offensive.
Yes. And Boom Boom is against the ropes, which is the wrong place to be. Camargo catches him with the right.
Baka akala niya hindi na makakatayo. Actually, he just waited till like the 9th second
which
just
is a
to be
smart
able
thing to do.
to take a bit of a rest.
27 seconds remaining.
Hard right to the body by Bautista. A good hard right again by Bautista.
Less than 20 seconds remaining.
Swing punch yung kay kay Camargo sa kanan.
Maniwala ka. Tapos na ito.
Wala na.
Tatayo sa 8.
Tatayo sa 8.
Grabe. Kala ko tapos ng box.
Sign na lang sandali. This fight is just flying by us. Let's go into the second round. We have already had
2 knockdowns in the first round. Good right uppercut by Bautista and the left.
What a shot by Boom Boom.
Beautiful right hand again, flush on the face.
And Boom Boom is now shifting. Pero sumasagot yung Camargo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Matapang talaga. And Boom Boom is leaving himself a little open sometimes in his keenness to get this over with and getting caught.
And he's also thinking, you know, when sometimes you get knocked down, you're thinking, you don't want to put them.
Third knockdown. Palagi siyang tumitingin sa corner niya. Parang tinatanong, tatayo pa ba ako? Wala na.
It's
That's
over.
it. It's over.
It's over.
Boom Boom Bautista wins by knockout in the second round.
2 knockdowns in the first, 1 more here, and Camargo not standing up. Dr. Vernes over there checking on Camargo. They will take out the mouthpiece, but take nothing away from Boom Boom Bautista.
I said 4 rounds.
And you're wrong, but I'm rightfully wrong.
I'm happy to be wrong.